Have you ever found yourself trying to run a script in a parent folder only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to streamline your projects. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. Managing multiple projects can be a headache, especially when they're intertwined. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to run scripts across different folders. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, can I run npm run build.js from folder A, which actually runs npm run build in folder B? This is a common scenario when working with a back-end and front-end setup, and it's a great question. So, what's the deal with running npm scripts from a parent folder? When you invoke npm scripts, they look for the package.json file in the current directory. If you want to run a script from a parent folder, you need to specify the path correctly. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a handy tip at the end that will make managing your projects even easier. To invoke an npm script from a parent folder, the user first needs to navigate to the parent folder where the script is located. This can be done using the terminal or command prompt. Next, the user should run the npm command to execute the script in the child folder. This can be achieved by specifying the path to the npm script in folder B. If the user wants to simplify this process, they can create a custom script in the parent folder's package.json file. This will allow them to run the script with a single command. Finally, the user should verify that the build process completes successfully. They can check the output in the terminal for any errors. Fun fact, did you know that NPM stands for Node Package Manager? It's a powerful tool that helps manage dependencies and scripts in your JavaScript projects. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests automating the file copying process instead of doing it manually. This can be achieved by introducing a deployment step, which can streamline your workflow. The user also points out that serving the front end as static files eliminates cross-origin issues. This means you won't have to worry about those errors when accessing your front end from the back end. Finally, they emphasize that whether to split or keep projects together depends on the developer's preferences. It's all about what works best for your team. Here's that handy tip I promised. Consider creating a script in your root package.json that can run scripts from both folders. This way, you can streamline your workflow even further. And there you have it. You can now run npm scripts from a parent folder with ease. Remember, managing your projects efficiently can save you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.